Today I wanted to make this video to add to my how to start digital design business playlist. So today I want to talk about the design bundles and their ultimate $1 event, which is happening right now. It started from 25th of November. It will last till 30th November. So this event has just started today, and this is very important. First of all, let me introduce to Design Bundle. Design Bundles is an online marketplace, and they sell files such as uh, SVG cut files to people make different things, sublimation designs, clip art, and fonts. Here are their fonts, so many different type of fonts, and add-ons such as for Procreate patterns and background digital paper. Like there are so many things which this marketplace sells. I have also have a shop there. So today is they have this ultimate $1 event. I just wanted to show you, you should, if you get time, you should visit this website today to look at designs which are selling best, and they are almost sold out. Like this design, which is a Santa Sack SVG bundle, it was 500 total copies available, and 33 are left. This one is totally sold out. So I mean, this is just for the research purposes, to just to see which designs are people literally are like they want to buy it right away when it's available. So like this is a memorial lentil collection and sarcastic kitchen towel bundle. So you can see here that 500 copies were available, now only 15 are left. So this type of design is in demand, the theme of this design is in demand. So therefore I also wanted to make this video to just to give you ideas that it is amazing that, like for example, this design is in, so many people are making it. So this is Christmas sublimation bundle, but this design is, you can see there are gnomes and coffee and hot chocolate and like things like that. So people buy them and then make sublimation designs like that. So this is a design which is in demand. So let's look at other things which are highly in demand. Like for example, this one is Tumblr sublimation bundle, and it is sold out. This is stickers bundle. So just stickers, printable digital stickers. You can print them, cut them in your Cricut machine or Silhouette Cameo. So 500 copies were available, only 135 are left. So I am showing you this design, which is this event, because it just started and so many 500 copies are sold out. So this means that these designs are in demand, and if you make them, then people will buy them. For example, this is clip art, almost uh, fairy clip art, unicorn, dragon, frog. So this is also, you can see this is almost selling out. So this is just, we are going to take a tour of this ultimate $1 deal event, and look at the designs. But like for example, this one, make your own reindeer family. So they have these reindeers of three sizes, and they are wearing scarves and winter caps and bow ties. So who the designer who made that, Happy Doodles, this is the name of the shop, Happy Doodles. So they worked on this design, and they find this idea which is selling. And this is very interesting. Let's open their shop, Cheese Toast Digitals, and let's open this design. So this, you can see 67 are only remaining, and now these are money cakes, uh, sort of a money holder design, but it's in round shape. So this is the shop which is making it. So they realize that this is the idea which will sell, and then they make good quality product. So now, like for example, this one is also sold out, mega candy dome SVG bundle. So what design it is a design where uh, people place candy in a transparent dome. So it is sold out. That means that this design is in, it will sell if you make it. More and fonts. I don't make fonts, but font designers, if you are a font designer, if you know how to make fonts, so this is the place you want to sell. Like for example, the font big, the big font bundle, it is sold out. This one is like 239 copies remaining. Procreate brushes. Now, Procreate brushes and add-ons. For example, soft oil cartoon photo action. This is also sold out. Alcohol, ink, patterns and backgrounds. So buffalo plaid paper bundle. Now you can see this is also so it's selling out. Like it will sell out till tomorrow. So this is a good idea. But and these are the for the plus members. So you can see here so many designs, shadow boxes. So this was just a tour to see which designs are selling well. If they are sold out on first day, then they are in demand. So this is a good thing. Let's look at more designs. So these are the designs. You can see 50 copies left, 52 copies left. So okay, these designs are good, they are selling out, but these designers, for example, uh, this design, let's start with this design, only 82 copies are left. So the designer is Digital Rainbow Shop. So these designers, for example, this shop has 430 followers and 34,000 favorites. So these are well seasoned, well, I mean, they make their products very well. So you can see these are good cut files and they will cut perfectly. So this is another idea what to make if you want to make some designs to sell. And Christmas is a very good time where you can gauge that what design will sell and what design will do good. So now this design, fairy bundle 3D light box. So these are the shadow, these are called shadow boxes. These are designs in layers. For example, this one, layers, they put together all the layers and then finally assemble and make these type of boxes. Now behind this box there is a light. So but this designer design DG and SVG design for you. These are very, all these designers who are on front page, they are very uh, experienced. They know how to make good designs which are usable. For example, this one, which will cut perfectly and they are good quality artwork. So you can take ideas, but then it will take um to make this design. For example, you need to learn how to make SVG good cut files, and then how to market them, how to present them, then it will be a good profitable product. So just I wanted to show you that this event has started. If you want, you can go to design bundle and go take, if you even don't know how to use this design, or if you are planning to make, for example, if you are a SVG cut file designer and you just want to make these sublimation designs, then for example this one is a sublimation design, then just like it is for $1 and you can buy it and then study the design, like how they are made. So they are very well made designs in very good price. So try them and also look what designs are in demand and what is selling out. So it will give you some idea that this type of designs can be made and they will sell in the end. For example, these round uh, Christmas signs are in. So slowly and surely, if you learn these, how to make this design, these designs can not only be cut in vinyl, but they are perfect to be for laser cutting. So people will cut everything Christmas and like at the Anderson and then round, and then they will assemble it, and this will be a good idea. So yeah, so this was our little tour today. Go to design bundles and just take a tour. Just look at these designs which will help you if you want to create your own uh, digital products. For example, this one, mugs, millions of mugs, different types of mugs. So this is a big bundle, and uh, and Live in Design, this is the one of the best designers on the platform, and her work is amazing. So oh, this one is nice. So yeah, take a tour of design bundles and buy something and try it. Just look at the quality of artwork, and then it will help you to make your own products. Thank you.